Alright, so this is a Roomba 550. It's in very good condition, has very little light scratches on it. Comes with the AeroVac dustbin, which is great for pets and allergies. It has a brand new battery, so it lasts a while. Gonna give it a test run right now. If we hit spot right there, it'll go in a circle cleaning one spot, so we'll keep it on the carpet that way. So the battery on it lasts for over an hour. After it is done vacuuming, it returns back to the docking station where it recharges over again and continues working whenever you want it to, or you could schedule it any day you want, anytime. So the Roomba is in very good condition, and it comes with accessories that will be in the next video, so check it out.